A student request came in last week, but no one followed up. Now it's a situation. Sound familiar? Here's how to make sure it never happens again. Inside ClickUp, we built a super agent called Student Intake, and because ClickUp brings 20+ work apps like chat, projects, docs, and more into one AI workspace, it actually has the context to know what's going on. Check this out. A student request comes in through a form. It creates a task and assigns the agent automatically. Now, it'll reference any department wikis that you have, and in this case, route the request to the right department. After it's moved, the agent updates the student log in Docs automatically, and then it circles back to the task to report everything it did. 2 days later, we automatically send a follow-up to check in on the request. And just like that, you're done. No more requests falling through the cracks. This is ClickUp. Docs, tasks, and chat all in one place. And with super agents that actually understand your work, you can spend less time on admin and more time supporting your students.